Hello, amazing people. My name is Vasily. Of course, you already know me. You are my wonderful subscriber, right? So, what we are doing here? Basically, yes, you read the title of the video, and you decided, okay, I'll click and I'll receive like some important information and learn something, right? On my videos, all of my videos, basically it's kind of live stream, but without real audience. I'm just recording videos, right? And I trying to do something like live without any preparation. You already can hear it, right? I'm not prepared. So what is the plan today? Today I am planning to try Kotlin, one of the tool for iOS development, for multi-platform development, but I want to focus on iOS since I'm iOS engineer, right? So we have Kotlin Multiplatform, or we have also I'm sorry and we also have like Kotlin Multiplatform or Kotlin Native, right? I will try one of these tools today and create a small application. As I correctly remember, we already did the same way we tried React Native and Flutter. Right now, if we are not talking about, of course, my desire of Swift language, right? If we are not talking about native programming, like right now, if we can compare React Native and Flutter is closer to me, right? But let's see how will it go. So I'll never try to set up any environment for React to build to build Kotlin multi-platform application or Kotlin native, right? So since I do not remember, I am super old and I do not remember the difference between Kotlin multi-platform, oh my god, I will learn it, and Kotlin native, right? So what we are going to do, I have one of my wonderful friend. Evening, you see, like English is not working, everything is not working, my brain's is not working, of course. So I have my wonderful friend here, ChatGPT, right? And when we stack something, we will talk about, we will ask questions, right? And I expect to have some help, to receive some help from ChatGPT, right? Since we know that AI is coming, and let's try to apply it. So yeah. But basically we're just meeting, we're spending time together, we're talking, so this is just for fun. So if you plan to learn something, right, to learn Kotlin multi-platform, I don't know what we'll pick today, right? So if you plan to learn Kotlin multi-platform or Kotlin native, this video I'm not sure it's for you for today, for right now. I mean, because I think you are focused, you want to get the result, right? You want to fight. And on my video, I'm not a guru, I have zero, okay, just a little understanding, like a very blurred picture, right? So, okay, I think that is the idea. We are also listening the same music, right? To be on the one wave. So I am trying to listen music, I am trying to talk to you, and I am trying to record videos. You see, like I am trying to be super multi-platform. I guess I will fail in all three elements, right? I mean, no problem with this, but you will support me, right? You say, hey Vasily, you are amazing, yay. Okay, so I need to switch to another screen, and we will start with conversation with ChatGPT, right? Let's do this. And also practice my English. So I need to switch to another layout. Okay, yep, that's me. And also what I think, let's put myself up, right? Can we do this? Okay. I think this is good. right? I can see myself, everything is going, I can see sound, everything's cool. Okay, so right now we are here, we have payment, like, oh my god, not free version of ChatGPT. Oh, let me switch to another composition. Okay, so I just put a random music and I'm trying to find my favorite. And I will do this, because we are relaxing here, right? We are trying to have fun. Remember, this is the main idea, right? Like, we have a conversation, we learn something, we try together. You will text me, like in the comments, hey Vasil, everything what you are doing, everything is wrong, of course, but you're not going, right? You don't want to text this, right? Because I will cry whole the night. So I'm not good at crying. So yeah, please do not write bad comments. Okay, so let's start. Of course, I will start with greeting my friend, because we are friends, right? Like ChatGPT and me, we are friends. ChatGPT, can you see my text? Okay, hello chat, and also I'm telling about this every video, right? So, like, let's be polite with AI, because, like, my plan, when AI conquer all the world, right? And since we are friends, AI will not force me to clean restrooms, right? I'm very bad at restrooms cleaning, so yeah, and that is my plan, to be very polite. That one day, I mean, ChatGPT remember AI, remember everything, right? So, okay. enough my wonderful jokes, right? Okay, so hello ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, it's very interesting. It's very important to. That's what I learned, to share context, right? So the idea that, for example, like I'm thinking right now about sentence, right? So I want to write something. Hey, I'm trying to build application. I can try to type something like give me the difference between Kotlin Multiplatform and Kotlin Native, right? But I wanna share my task, and as many details you give to the AI, I expect to receive better answer that fit my needs, right? So I'm trying to explore chat. Come on. Kotlin Multiplatform. Let me switch to another composition. Kotlin Multiplatform, right? Okay, everything is red, right? Yeah, this is my English. Everything is red. Vasila, how can you describe level of your English? Everything is red. Okay, platform and Kotlin native. Can you tell me which one is better? Maybe easier to start. Start, right? So of course, let's try and get. Okay, hello, I'm happy to help you explore Kotlin Multiplatform and Kotlin Native, right? Kotlin Multiplatform purpose: designed to share code across different platforms. Okay, primary Kotlin, but can interpolate with platform-specific languages. Swift, yay, Swift, my love. Oh, you are here. I'm happy. So for iOS and Java for Android, and so on, right? Yeah, ease of learning. So if you're already familiar with Kotlin, you'll find Kotlin Multiplatform relatively straightforward, right? Yeah, reading class to pick up. The challenge often lies in designing your architecture to efficiently share code while still accommodating platform-specific functionality. I have no idea what does it mean. So community and support. Growing rapidly with an increasing number of libraries and resources available. Okay, so tooling integrated with Intel JIDEA, right, and Android Studio, providing a robust development environment. Okay, so as I correctly remember, in Kotlin, using Kotlin Multiplatform, we can share whole code and including layout. And as I correctly remember, Kotlin native is just like logic part, right? Let's check. Purpose. Kotlin native purpose enables running Kotlin code on platforms where a JVM is not available, compiling to native binaries. Okay, Kotlin with okay, this like complex word feature for calling C, Objective-C, and other native libraries. Okay, ease of learning. Can be challenging, especially when dealing with memory management, since it doesn't have a garbage collector like the JVM. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, right? Should be, right? Interpolating with native libraries also can be complex. Okay. Community and support sufficient but not extensive as a JVM-based Kotlin community. Okay, tooling, good support in Intel JIDEA and other JetBrains. Okay, which one to choose? Kotlin Multiplatform if your goal is to share business logic across multiple platforms while still using the native UI framework of each platform. Kotlin Multiplatform is a great choice. It's especially popular for sharing code between iOS and platform. While still using the native UI, Kotlin Multiplatform is good while we use native UI frameworks, right? Okay. Kotlin native. If you need to run Kotlin code on a platform without JVM, I have no idea, do I need JVM or not? Or if you are integrating with C, C++ libraries, Kotlin native is the way to go. However, it can be more complex due to the manual memory management and in the complex world, right? I mean, you know, I'm okay with my English, you're okay with my English, like you can read this word, I can highlight it. Okay, ease of starting. If you're new to both, starting with Kotlin Multiplatform might be easier, as it allows you to leverage existing knowledge of JVM-based Kotlin and has more community support for common use cases. Okay, conclusion. Let's read it. Neither option is strictly better than the other. It really depends on your specific use case and requirements. If you are looking to share code across mobile platforms and already have experience with Kotlin, I have experience with Kotlin, but it was like several years ago, and of course we will try. We will look at my pain, how I am trying, how I am becoming red and trying to write any line of code and nothing is not working. Of course you like it, right? When I have a pain, you wanna look at it, wonderful. If you need to run Kotlin on a platform without a JVM or interact with the native libraries, then exploring Kotlin native will be necessary. Wonderful. Okay, feel free to ask more specific questions. Okay, so it's simple. Let's go with Kotlin Multiplatform. And of course, as I said, I do not know anything. I didn't set up it. So let's try Kotlin Multiplatform. Okay, let's run. Yay! I feel we can win, but regularly I am recording just 1 hour. I guess it would be like 2 videos, two, right? So, and of course you are ready for this. So, let me check. Blah blah blah. Kotlin for server side, Kotlin for Android, Kotlin wasn't. Okay, Kotlin native. Okay. Oh, sorry, we already selected Kotlin Multiplatform. Okay, code sharing and okay. Compose multi-platform. Okay, how can I start? Get start with Kotlin Multiplatform for mobile. Right, let's do this. Of course. Okay, cookies. I like cookies, but I'm not going to share everything necessary. Okay, accept, right? Only necessary, right? We are hiding from everything, from everyone, right? We don't want to share our information for free, right? Because of course my opinion is very important for the world. Okay, let's check. So Kotlin Multiplatform technology, blah blah blah. Check out code in beta video. Okay, see how. Okay, get set. Okay, set up an environment for cross-platform mobile development. Okay, let's do this. Okay, getting started. Okay, set up an environment. Before you create the first application that works on both iOS and Android, you'll need to set an environment for Kotlin Multiplatform development. Of course, install tools. Yeah, let's check. I can start with Android Studio. I do not remember when last time I opened it, so let me check it, and we are here. Do we have something to update? Okay. I do not know. Oh, check for updates. Of course, let's install everything. Just give me everything, right? Oh, I need just download. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I have here another screen with all my super top secret information. Right? I do not want to share it. So and yeah. Okay. Let's close it for right now. Then. To check what installed. Okay, let's check. New window. Okay, I just updated. Oh my SSH, right? So ZSH. Okay, let's check. We have this. I have this. Okay, we'll check it later, right? So, okay, you will see Android Studio, multi-platform. Oh, I can also see. Okay, let me down. I think it's already downloaded. I need to install this Android Studio, right? And of course, I'm copy paste, replace, and let's wait. Right, so you see, like, I hope it would be easier, right? Let's open Android Studio again. Android Studio. Okay, open. Sorry for waiting, but yeah, okay, I have this right now. Okay, let's keep there. I'm okay with this. Okay, it's loading. Send statistics. So sorry, I mean I cannot move. Of course. Okay, and let's check plugins and see multi. Okay, new project. And what I need multi-platform, right? Where OS, television, automate, phone. More actions. Okay. Multiple. Okay, Kotlin Multiplatform for mobile, right? Let's install. What is this? What is the plugin? Compose multiplatform. Full multiplatform compose. What is the difference? Okay, let's restart. Restart, of course. So, and what do we need? In Android Studio, select Settings, Preferences, of course, let's do this. Settings, plugin, customize. Oh, settings, right? Plugins. Oh, we just did this, right? Plugins, Kotlin Multiplatform, right? Installed, right? And we have Kotlin Multiplatform, of course. Right. So, what next? The Kotlin plugin is bundled with each Android Studio release. However, it still needs to be updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Wonderful! To update the plugin on the Android Studio welcome screen, select plugin. Okay. Kotlin plugin. Let's double check that I have it. So Kotlin Multiplatform mobile plugin and Kotlin plugin. Okay. So Kotlin Multiplatform and Kotlin plugin. Kotlin. Okay, we have it. We have Kotlin plugin. Of course, check your environment. Of course, brew kdoctor. Let's. Okay. Where is let's install it. I think I had this kdoctor, as I correctly remember. We had it, right? When we worked on the Flutter, right? Or Kotlin or React Native. We used some kind of doctor, right? Of course. Oh, yeah. This is like my personal laptop. So since I'm not using it a lot. Okay, so probably we will spend some time for the setup, right? Come on. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let me make it bigger, right? Oh, I forgot that my face is here in the corner, right? So let's see how will it go. Okay. So, but what is going to be next? Okay, kdoctor, and then we can see, okay, like all diagnosis things. Wonderful. Right now it's kind of okay, it's manageable. Of course, like I'm a little princess, right? I want to click on the button with colorful interfaces with buttons, right? I want all of these, but it's kind of okay to use sometimes command line. Yes, like actually text me, like I remember myself, oh, when I was young, I remember like, hey, I like everything to use console. Where I become older and I think, like I need to type text, it's too complex. I wanna buttons, I want a UI. Give me UI, please. I want more UI, right? Okay. So I do not know what happened. Like everything. Oh, okay, okay. So it's ready. Okay, and what do we need to run again? kdoctor. Hey doctor, help me please. Okay. Java is okay. Okay, we need to run Xcode. Let's run Xcode. Yeah, it was very cool. Yeah, in the beginning of video. Let me switch. I don't like this composition. In the beginning, I talked about like, hey, of course, like I'm a US engineer and and Xcode on my machine like is not ready, right? Like, hey, like, are you really a US engineer? Oh my god, I like these moments. I hope you also. Okay. So let's install additional components, right? And see, okay, let's check. So we already spent 25 minutes. So we spent 25 minutes, and remember, I already had Android Studio and I also had Xcode, right? Like, so if I didn't have it at all, I'll have to download them. But since wait, 25. I guess we spent like 10 minutes. 10 plus minutes for beginning, in the beginning, so probably it's like 10 minutes, right? Let's think about, let's keep it like 10 minutes, and then I will check during the record, checking the video. Like each video I also have to look at on my each video. Yeah, I have to look at myself twice, so twice. First time when I record, okay, I'm not looking, but I'm doing something, and then I have to look at it again. So I'm spending like 2x time for all of this. So yeah, it's okay, it's a real life. Okay. So installing something, right? Let's wait. Continue. Of course. Okay, wonderful. So let's check again. I guess we will have problems with CocoaPods. Consider adding the following. So CocoaPods requires your terminal to be using. Okay. So if I use export, right? If I use this command, will it work? But let me check. So if I close the session, right? This is my wonderful experience, right? If I let me close the terminal and open it from scratch, right? And see, will we still have it, right? Or we need to do export again. So I wanna run kdoctor, but I run that wonderful command. Okay, kdoctor, let's check. Okay, so right now I need to do this. Each time I need to run, but it's okay. Like running kdoctor each time before I start writing code, I open project. It's okay. Or if I have problems, I guess I will receive some information. Oh, actually, I like the sound, right? It's pretty hard. Yeah, I like the beat. Yeah, music is my second desire. Oh my god. I mean, second big love. Right? Of course, after you are my first big love. So let me. Okay, this is some other projects, right? Oh, I guess this is one of our previous session about great writing code, creating project, like a home project for the interview, right? Check this also, but also I made a pause on this. I need to return. Oh, thank you for a reminder. So okay, we're done, we are ready. Okay, so verifying. Okay, please verify here in another screen, and let's check. So again, everything is wonderful, right? We have green, everything green is good, right? Okay, and let's go to the Xcode. Okay, possible issues, we do not need it. Let's go to the next part. Everything is ready. Create your first platform. Okay, let's go to the Xcode. Xcode, not Xcode. Kotlin, Kotlin, Android Studio, right? Okay, new project. Kotlin Multiplatform, KMP, Kotlin Multiplatform application. Yay. Okay, next. My application. No. My amazing application, right? Like, main idea is a mood and motivation, right? We're not talking about result, right? We're talking about our motivation. Our code is perfect, right? So probably we are not really, you're not really familiar, you do not know me very close. We will fix it, do not worry. But in many sentences that I tell, right, they're sarcastic, right? So yeah, please, if that was sarcasm, right? I mean, yeah, I need to describe, to highlight this, that you feel okay, right? So this is haha, wonderful. Okay, I also like this composition. Okay, what do you think? Is it good? Okay. Okay, we'll need to create my amazing app, Android Studio projects. I will put it on a different project, on a different folder. Yeah, I don't want to show you my folder structure because everything is top secret here. So everything. So here and here near these top secrets. Okay. Actually, where I put it? Okay. Okay. Kotlin Multiplatform, right? Okay. Great. What? I cannot create it? What? Something wrong. Why? I mean, I'm using the Dropbox, so, and I'm keeping everything here, even when yeah, it's here. I can see this. Okay, my amazing application. Wonderful, right? Like everything is not working from from the beginning. Oh, I think I will ruin everything. And my future. Okay, it's synced, and right now I can select Kotlin Multiplatform. Okay, folder. Okay. Okay. Project location shouldn't contain. Okay. Wonderful. So I need to update everything. To update this is a problem because I have my file structure and I have lots of spaces. I mean, yeah, okay. So where can we put it right now? Okay. Let's find different one. So developer. Oh. Okay, new folder, Kotlin Multiplatform, right? Like it's not so sorry, we're wasting time here. I'm sorry for this. And I also need to remove this space, but I want everything to be in the right place from the beginning. Okay, open. Okay, let me check my amazing project. Okay, and we are here. Yay, we are moving. So as I said, I record like 1 hour, and right now we already 35 minutes. So I hope we just open application like Android Studio, and there we stop, right? And like everything will happen in the next video. Please do not write angry comments. Yeah, I'm very sensitive. Android app. Okay, name of the iOS application. iOS app. Oh, sounds amazing. Sounds very creative. So okay, shared. Okay, add sample test. No. Regular framework. Cocoa Pods regular. Okay, let's use regular. So Cocoa Pods dependency manager. Okay, we know what is this. A regular framework. Kotlin Multiplatform model is integrated. I'm sorry. Via integer. Via integer Gradle, via internal Gradle task, and Xcode build steps configuration. Doesn't require third-party tools. I think, yeah, I remember Gradle. So Gradle is a new build system that like take every component, packages, and so on, and build a project for you. So this is Gradle, as I correctly remember. I like give me the discount. I opened Android Studio like more than a year ago. So yeah. Okay, my amazing app. Can you see? Come on. Can you see my amazing app here? Oh my god, it's so amazing. Of course. So we have here some useful information. We're not going to read useful information. Give me only unuseful information. Of course. Okay, sounds welcome to Flutter. Okay, sounds good. So, and we are loading. What we are loading? Okay, daemon started successfully moments ago. Okay, what is loading? What we are loading? Okay. Okay, packages, Android, project source files. I'm not sure I understand what's going on. Right? Like, okay, let's start device manager, right? And we can add here, create a virtual device, right? Phone, iPhone, no. Import hardware, okay. How can I run application? Okay, we have Android here. It's still loading. Is it doing something? Okay, let me check the folder structure that we created, right? So, where I put it? So, okay, it's super unprofessional. Of course. Sorry, my friend. Okay, we have many things here, right? Okay, so where is iOS? Okay, we have iOS app, but where is shared? We have shared code, right? Like, how? Why it's not here? Kotlin. Okay. Oh, okay. So I just need to open Kotlin Multiplatform, and we have shared. Of course, iOS app, Android app, everything is here, right? But since we are not a big fan of Android, of course, right? We are iOS engineers, right? We are not going to check it, and because of my experience and so on, right? So let's check. It's doing something, right? Oh, okay, it's doing something. Yeah. I forgot how it's working. Like, you know, like when you work only on one IDE, right? So like me, I'm working only with Xcode, okay, and Visual Studio Code also, right? But regular, like 90% of my time I spend with Xcode, and right now it's a little bit I have a little bit confusion, okay, where to go. And actually it's very interesting thing. Maybe it's my just feeling, because yeah, Vasily, you are not an Android developer, you are not a Java developer, of course you are not understanding this idea, right? IDE, right? Code editor. So tell me what you think about this. Like my personal feeling that Xcode is simpler, right? I mean, is just not so scary, right? I mean, maybe you can see something different, right? I just opened Xcode, right? And it looks a little bit simpler, right? Like I mean, I guess so. This is just my my feeling, right? What do you think about it? Yeah, simpler is not always better. I just want to say that, like, it's not so scary, right? When you open this gentleman, right? Like, it's, oh my god, something is loading, something happened. Like lines, some log lines, they're jumping, right? Like, I mean, even Androids. Let me check. Even Visual Studio Code, right? Not Visual. Yeah, Visual Studio Code. Where is it? Hey, where is my Visual Studio Code? Okay. It's not opening? Oh, it's just doing something. Looks like it was updated. Of course. Okay, I will check before I will show you something. I want to check. Okay. Yeah, even the Visual Studio Code. It's, yeah, we have something happened, but for me it's a little bit less scary, right? I mean, scary because when you are new to development, right? It's also very, yeah, because I'm old, wonderful, yeah. But like when you are new, it's very important to have like something like super friendly. Yes, this is specific tools like Photoshop, for example. Like, but anytime when I need to go to open Photoshop and do something, I feel, oh my god, I will never remember what's going on, what's happened, where to click, and so on. And this is unfriendly for me. This guy, Visual Studio Code, is much better. But of course, like, since I'm iOS developer, Xcode for me is the best. I mean, it's become really better and better. But from time to time we have some bugs, right? I mean, everyone has some bugs, any IDE, right? Okay. This is how I think about, right? So to make more applications, yes, maybe with Google and Android we are not talking about this, right? Because we have so many Android devices, right? And you do not need to spend so much time on the idea, right? Like on the tool. But my feeling is a little bit different, right? Like, since we are all people, we are developers, right? We also like wanna see something user friendly, something simple, right? I mean, a tool that was very well. Okay, but I think you got my point, right? Tell me your idea, maybe your experience, maybe you have different experience, maybe you also worked with Xcode, many years as me and you also worked with Android Studio or other Intel G tools, right? Okay. So Android Studio, okay, increasing from okay, let's restart. Let's do this and run again. So okay, let's check time. Wonderful, 45 minutes. You see, we're still, but it's kind of okay, right? It's going good. So okay, and what I wanna do, I wanna run iOS application. Okay, so tip of the day. Since I'm very bad at Kotlin, Android, and all of that thing, maybe it's a good idea to start. Let's see. Android Studio provides several Kotlin projects. Okay. Project type, of course. Yeah. Thank you. Oh no. Oh, okay. Stop. Oh, just one. Okay. And what we're going, I just selected iOS app and let's run. Ooh. So here, like, I'm recording on another computer. So basically this is my, this computer that I'm sharing. So this is one computer, I'm recording on another computer, and here I have like sound and everything. And when I hear wonderful music, I like it. So I press like button to keep it somewhere, right? So okay, application build iOS application failed. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay, let's try to figure out. So and what is here? Let's check. Let me see if you can. Okay, and let's do this. Okay. Failure. Welcome to Gradle. Okay. Blah blah blah. Try. Run without. But I didn't run this. Okay. So debug iOS. No, maybe I need to open. Yeah, I remember. Maybe I need to open simulator, right? So file. Let me run this. Yeah, I think this code is also this is like interview home. Let me check. I think that, yeah, we talked about this. I will record one more video about this. Yeah, sorry, I was doing something else and my videos was not so regular. I hope I will fix it. I hope. Okay, so we just run it, and I remember that thing with Flutter, right? I cannot run application, but see, I just one time launch simulator, iOS simulator, iPhone simulator, right? And it's starting to detect it, and I was able to run application. But maybe, or it was React Native. I do not remember. Okay, you can text me, right? You can write a comment me, right? Okay. Okay, looks like it is working, right? Let's see. Will it load? I don't know what's going on, but it's okay. So, and let's run again. Okay, and right now it's failed. Okay. Device manager. Let's go there. Please, can you open device manager? I'm sorry, I need device manager. With coverage. Run iOS app. Oh! Not applicable. That is why. Okay. Physical, virtual, and we need to open iOS, iPhone. Okay, but it's not working, right? We don't have it here. Okay, maybe we can start with new device. No. So, but if we go here, we can select something, but if we go here, okay, let's check. So if Flutter and React Native can do this, probably we can find some information here, right? So we added this, we click on projects, right, on project, right? Oh, I could read it, right? But like, it's very important to be an explorer. So I explore the way by myself, and I did this. You see, I am amazing. You are also. So let's check. Okay, but like how to run? Adaptive UI, wonderful. App specific, okay. Run your application, run Android, wonderful. Oh, new, okay. I need to add new simulator device. So okay, edit configuration. Wonderful. I need to edit configuration. How can I? Okay, edit configuration. Okay. So, and what else I need to do? Oh, sorry, not this. How many things we have here? So I just couple. New iOS, blah blah blah, iPhone, okay, and allow multiple instances. Execution target, iPhone 15. Okay, run. Okay. Will that work? Let me make it a little bit smaller. Build fail. Whew. So why could not resolve? Something wrong. All files configuration. Okay. What? Why it's so complex? Wait, what is my simulator? So it's iPhone 17. Okay, iPhone 17, iPhone 15 Pro, iOS 17. Okay. What about right now? Something different. Oh, yeah. Oh, failure. But we have a different logs, right? Yeah, we wait, no, we have the same logs. Okay, command. Oh, okay, run the build fail and the following command. What is this? Okay, so wonderful, and let's talk about it. Let's ask, right? Like, yeah, we can start debugging, but we have ChatGPT. Okay, thanks. I decided to what? To create Kotlin Multiplatform, Kotlin MP, right? KMP KMP app. I just created it and I see an error. All right. Oh, stop. This error. Okay. So this error indicates that running script. Okay. So please do not tell me that I need to open application in Xcode, right? I mean, because this is... So, check. But if you look at this script, right, it will just run this embed and sign Apple framework for... Okay, but we just tried on the... we just launched Xcode and tried to run application, right? And that was working. But okay, let's see, maybe I need to run it again, but okay, it's just stuck. Okay, no problem. I can close it. Come on. Oh, it's here. Okay. Okay, I just terminated it, and let's do it again. Okay, so get more information. Let's just build. Make project. Oh, maybe I need to do this. I don't know. Let's check. Like maybe we need. But why I need to do this? Why I cannot just run it, right? Let's see. It's interesting, right? How it's how all of these things, how they're working. Yeah. Wonderful, right? Like always, when you start doing something new, you always expect, oh my God, I'm going to do this. I'm the winner, right? And then you can spend like 1 hour of just trying to to run demo application, right? Okay. We did something, and right now let's run. I guess it should be the same, right? Like how can it... So again, if we look at this, so I just clicked on this line and we can see like this is kind of like a run Gradle, but why it's not working? Okay. Configuring. Okay, we have a build. So type safe, blah blah blah. We just run type safe. Build failed with an exception. What's wrong? Like could not resolve configuration C class project, blah blah blah. Okay, so okay, let's just copy paste. Okay. Clean build folder. Okay, let's check this exact. But why I need to open Xcode? Check script output. Report navigate. I'm using, since this is Kotlin KMP app. I use Android Studio. Can you suggest me how to fix the problem in the Android Studio? Full log. and I like this music. What do you think? Cool. So I hope you enjoy the format, right? Like, I'm preparing myself for the real life videos, right, with you, that we can interact, right? Like for the real streams. I'm not sure when it happened. Okay, this is my update your Gradle wrapper. Okay. Check for, maybe we need to check for updates again. What? Update now. Android Studio, Android Simulator, and tools. Okay. Let's do this. But why it's okay, since it is doing something. Oh, the problem is fixed. Do you remember in one of my video when I used display link? I used display link to mirror the video because I capture it, right? And right now it's fixed. I have no idea. Yeah, magic. Okay, let's do again. Like, check for. Okay, everything is up to date. Let's switch here and try again. But why? Okay, let's return back to the to this. Wonderful, right? So to the conversation with ChatGPT. Okay, so path to your Gradle Java sync project with Gradle rebuild project. Try to rebuild preference settings plugin update. Okay, preference settings plugins. Okay, preference settings plugins. Do we need to update? Do we need to update anything? Okay, Gradle is here. It's bundled. I guess it's okay with this, right? Ooh, not so simple, right? Like, okay, I want everything out of the box, and magic is not happen. It make me sad. So, with dependency declared externally as well as distributed Gradle API with value 8.0. Okay, where can we edit our Gradle? This is Gradle properties, version, Gradle, okay, bad. Sorry, it's not professional, right? Everything what I am doing is not professional. Okay, let's try. You see, like, why? Oh, okay. I need to return this back. So, and I am really surprised. Oh, let's return back and finish it. So, okay, set Java version for Gradle. It's related to Gradle being unable to resolve the Android Gradle plugin AGP dependency. So edit configuration, but this is iOS application, right? I like the sound. Oh my god, so many compositions. Big win for me. I hope for you also. I hope you really enjoy this, right? Okay, but we'll continue. So we need to win this battle today. Okay, so need to check Gradle version. So update your Gradle wrapper. So Gradle wrapper, what do we have? Something red here. Base name. What is this? Okay, it's kind of okay, I think so. We can see it's repeated everywhere. So Gradle, build, okay. Gradle plugin, you can check the official, let's check official version of Gradle. Minimum supported plugin version, okay, 8.3, right? And we have here application Gradle 8.1.8GP. So, but here we have, I closed it? What? Okay, okay. Plugin minimum version required. So I use, okay, older version. So maybe I need to try 8.3 AGP, right? Can we do this? Sync now. Okay. So it's not working out of a box. Don't tell me that I need to Stack Overflow it, right? So distribution URL, okay, properties, distribution URL, wrapper. So where is this? Gradle wrapper properties. I think this is one, right? Distribution URL. We do not have here distribution URL. Okay. Let's see. Can we build Android application? No target device. Okay. Device manager, and let's create just a simulator, right? Like, okay, we're already here, and let's create a one more device. I mean, first device, Pixel XL. Sounds amazing. What I need to open? Okay, let's use tiramisu. I like tiramisu. Let's use it. Okay, accept. Let's download it and hope it is going to be fast, right? Ooh, 1.4 gigabytes. Okay. So this is weird, right? Again, like, do you remember how we tried with what we did with React Native? We also, as I correctly remember, had two attempts, right? Okay, check an existing file. It's very weird. So, but like, what I wanna try. So, if Android is not working, probably something wrong with the project itself. But if it is working, oh, maybe I need to run on the Do you remember that line, right? Do you remember it, right? Let me put it here. So this line, right? Okay, finish. Okay, next. Landscape, finish. Wonderful. And let's run. Okay. Check again. So this is iOS, iPhone 15 Pro, iOS 17. Access to the microphone, no. Okay, where is simulator? What? Okay, waiting all devices to come online. Is it somewhere? Is it somewhere? Notifications. Yeah, you see, like, it's always like this, right? Like, we are living in a modern world, right? But even simple steps that should work out, right, like out of a box, they're not working. Yeah. One day we will have like much more complex systems, right, that can help us to start writing the app. But like, where is it? Why? So is it doing something? Waiting for all target devices to come online. So we're waiting for something. If I close it, okay, looks like this is correct. But I need to see what is going on. Okay, enable live edit on the device. Push code edits to the device without running the app. Let's do this. Okay, okay. So, and where is it? Where is the device? Where is the... Can you show me the device, please? So, problems. Okay, terminal. Whew. It doesn't work, right? You see, like what? Let me check the time. Already 1 hour and 12 minutes. So this is fail, epic fail, right? So I wasn't able even to run the application. So let's see, and looks like maybe I will read it offline, some suggestions, but like it's not working just like plug and play. So Kotlin Multiplatform for today. Today we have October 2023, right? It's not super great. Yeah, sorry. I got you. You wanted to do something different, right? Something different. Let me switch to my wonderful face, and I wanna. Sorry, my table is not super clean. I wanna switch back to the first composition that I enjoyed, and we can finish our wonderful conversation. So, thank you for watching this video. So, of course, share your ideas. What do you think about the format, right? I'm not sure it's super fun today because I stuck with just starting on the first step on the it's not so amazing, right? So write your comments about the format. What do you think? Of course, write about me, write everything what you want, right? So also give me some suggestions, ideas, why it's not working. Just share your experience, right? Like, how could it be better? I mean, everything could be better, right? Like, okay. So since I'm not professional, right? Okay. So yeah, again, thank you very much. I hope we will see each other soon. I will have more knowledge. I hope so. I will find how to run it. Yeah, I mean, it's very fun to start it like unboxing, unwrapping, right? That's what I did, but it's not working as expected. So since it's not working as expected, I don't want to spend 1 more hour with just trying to run application. Remember, something not working with React Native the same way. I have two versions, two videos about React Native. I think so. Yeah. And what's happened? I just restarted like whole computer, and it started to work, right? So probably I will try to do this, and I hope magic will come to my world, right? And next time we'll continue writing amazing, like best code in the world, right? We will do this. I hope so. So it was sarcasm, right? I mean, yeah, you know, like I like sarcasm, and I use it, I apply it everywhere. So just okay, you will feel okay with this. Like right now it's not so not so wonderful. Right now it's not so, you are not familiar with this, you do not know how do I feel about this, but it's okay. So smile more every day, write your code, learn something new, try, develop yourself. The same what I'm doing with you, right? See you next time. And let's prepare coffee. Next time I will have a cup of coffee here, and we will drink coffee in our regular meeting, right? And talk about something interesting, I hope so. See you, bye.